Welcome to this Pixotope tutorial. In this video, we will calibrate the TalenTrack system we have set up in the last video. To do this, start the TalenTrack Calibration program. Keep in mind that if you are using multiple engines for TalenTrack, the NTP status should say normal for all engines. Start the auto sampling and then bring the calibration board into the tracking area. Move the board in the tracking area while samples are being taken automatically. It is necessary to move the board in different areas of each camera view as well as in 3D space in the tracking area. Try to always have the board detected in more than one camera. The goal for each camera is to cover an area from the image center to at least one corner with dots. Furthermore, at least 1/4 of each camera's view should be covered with dots. When this is achieved, stop auto-sampling and run the calibration. Grids will be displayed in the videos indicating the distortion. They should be central, symmetrical, and fully intact. In the info section, the RMSE should be below 0.5. and the status should say converged. Additionally, when the board is visible in the cameras, it should be well detected, indicated by green circles. If any of these indicators don't apply, clear the samples and redo the auto sampling. Please be aware that more samples do not generally make the calibration better. The coordinate system is defined with the help of the calibration pattern. When clicking Set Origin, the program will use the corners of the board to define origin and axis orientation in the displayed manner. When the board is lying on the floor, the thickness of the board must be entered in the target height field in order to bring the coordinate system onto the floor level. A more refined method is possible by defining origin and axis individually. For this method, only the lower left corner of the pattern is used. Place the corner where you want the origin to be. Then set target height to 0 and click Set Origin. To define the primary axis, place the same corner of the board on a point on this axis that has a significant distance to the origin. Define which axis this is supposed to be and whether this point is in the positive or negative direction. Click Set Primary. To define the secondary axis, place the corner on any point on the floor that has a significant distance to the primary axis. Define this axis and then click Add Secondary. To increase precision, multiple points can be added to define the secondary axis. They must all be on the same plane, in this case the floor. Save the calibration. After the calibration is done, the coordinate system can still be transformed. Click on Preferences in the TalenTrack server window and then on Transformation. In the appearing window, translation and rotation of the coordinate system can be adjusted. When working in conjunction with a Pixotope camera tracking system, TalenTrack can receive the camera tracking data. Simply type in the port that the camera tracking system is sending the tracking data to into the camera receiver port field. The incoming data can be printed into the system log by activating Dump Camera. When this is set up, the talent skeleton will be displayed in the video window. This allows further control over the alignment between the camera tracking and the talent tracking. To send the TalenTrack data to a graphics engine, type in IP and port in the sender section. This sender sends the entire skeleton. The data can then be used to interact with virtual elements. For more information on this, or any other Pixatope subject, please visit the Pixatope Help Center, link in the description.